was standing tall to the mirror when she came to warn him of the jailers. And then he saw the tears rolling down her face. Surrender, my dear, he schemed the plan. He took a step, one single step outside, and then he spoke. You're behind the oak tree, you're behind the oak tree. You'd better leave or die. From the bushes curled up behind, the fear in their eyes, with fright they asked for his head. So he ran back through the house, the hills, the wind and the rain. There was love in the rain. You left a bullet behind. You left a bullet behind. Oh, you never had a chance, did you, Rooftop Joe? Oh, you never had a chance, did you, Rooftop Joe? Oh, you never had a chance, did you, Rooftop Joe? Left a bullet behind. It muffled more than pride. You're behind the oak tree, you're behind the oak tree. You'd better leave or die. Oh, you never had a chance, did you, Rooftop Joe? Oh, you never had a chance, did you, Rooftop Joe? Oh, you never had a chance, did you, Rooftop Joe? They found him alone on a boat, waiting by the sea, but he never had a chance, Rooftop Joe.